the shovel. Get the shovel.
I'm gonna do this shovel. I got this shovel.
Put it on the fire truck.
They're taking him to a new home.
Okay. This will be the new home. All right, drive the truck to the new home.
Wait, this is the fire station. They're driving. This is the fire. This is the fire. And there's a.
Careful, you get stuck in
There's
there.
the invisible man. There's the invisible man that, and he's the one that got in trouble. That fire. This house. Here's the
What's
new
happening?
home. The fire truck going home.
Fire truck's going home.
Put him on the roof of the house.
I'm putting him inside.
Put him behind the window.
Ben, Uncle Steve is the fire chief in this
No,
house.
I
Oh,
He said I am. Go
really?
back in the fire station. Jump on.
Wait, no, wait, you have to
There's
get
a
the
fireman.
ladder to come get him. Here he comes. Turning
No,
around.
that's the fireman.
I'm on the ladder.
This is the fire chief and I'm the fire.
Is this video?
It is.
Why are you doing this to me?
America's funniest home video.
America's most boring.
Is there such a show?
That's the ambulance.
It's an ambulance now?
No, it's still a fire truck. And
Oh, this is, look, this, oh.
Uh-oh.
my window's broken.
I think
Rear window's
up
broken.
there. It's a high rise.
Fire station.
Take me up to the roof, guys.
We're home. No, this is the fire. This is the fire station, and this is the invisible guy in the new home. And this is where the shovel is.
What do you think about this, Jake?
Why does he need the shovel?
I'm gonna pretend this is the axe for the.
Jake, what do you think about this? Is this fun? Do you like how Ben is playing with your Legos? Do you think that you should maybe play with his Transformer?
No.
Why? You're so well trained as a little brother.
Like that. The invisible guy and the firemen are next door neighbors.
Okay.
But what happened to the Transformer? Does the Transformer get to play fire truck too?
Jake, you should go play with the Transformer. Go get Ben's Transformer.
The ladder's going up.
Oh.